to pick up. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you.
All right, switching topics. You may think of camping as a summer-only activity, but one trailer model just might change your mind. Studio 5's Chelsea Fairborn toured a brand new ride that will let you hit the road year-round.
Summer is winding down, but that doesn't mean there aren't still plenty of opportunities for you to pack up your family and hit the road, hit the mountains. I've got Brett Parris with Parris RV here. This is one of those models that you say you can use October, November, even when the weather cools down a little bit.
Yeah, you know, it's got an extreme weather package, which is super nice if you want to take yours and maybe head, south for the winter and come back in the spring. Or, the extreme weather package is also good for summer because with that extra insulation, your air conditioning doesn't have to work that hard to keep it cool inside. It's a 2021 Cruiser, and the model's called a 29RK, and what RK means is rear kitchen. I love that floor plan. I'll get into that a little bit, but it's a triple slide that only weighs 8,700 pounds, so really half-ton compatible, a truck or something can tow this thing no problem.
Okay, walk me through the outside amenities. There's some indoor-outdoor living that can take place here.
I love having an outdoor kitchen. If you get the choice of cooking on the inside or out, why not just have an outside kitchen? You've got a stove, you've got a fridge, really everything you need. You can cook outside, cook inside. It's got a great kitchen on the inside. It's got one-touch auto level, so you just hit a button and then your jacks go down and level this thing out, which sure makes things a lot easier than the old-style hand crank, right?
Yep, happier campers.
Oh, yeah. One touch. We call that the marriage saver. Just one button, jacks go down, you're good to go. And then you've got a push-button electric awning. You've got outdoor speakers. You've got a nice LED light on the outside. Really everything you need to take this thing out and have a good time.
Walk me through the inside. What are some of the features that stand out in this model?
I love these rear kitchen floor plans. Super cool. It's got a great big wraparound rear kitchen with the dinette across from that. And so what I like about that is, if you're in the kitchen cooking, you're in there making things, you can put it on the dinette table, back to the kitchen for cleanup, and if you walk in, you walk right into the conversation area, which isn't really nice, where the TV and the electric fireplace and the theater seats with heat and massage are in the center. Or if you want to hang a right and head up the stairs and go to the side aisle bath, you can do that. So, you enter in, you're not going past the kitchen, you're not going past the dinette, you're a cook, you want to hang out in the back, you can do that in the rear kitchen model.
What I love about this model is it's so tastefully designed too that it really does feel like a home away from home, and attention to detail to everything, very aesthetically pleasing, if you will, using our Studio 5 terms. Walk me through how many people can it sleep comfortably?
This one's rated to sleep 4, but those theater seats are so dang nice. You could sleep in those things. I sure could.
They do look really comfy.
Yeah, heat, massage, theater seats. They recline out almost flat. I mean, super cool. Plus, you've got a really nice bedroom up front with a third slide out and tons of space up there.
Okay, if people want to learn more about this model or shop what else you have, where can they go?
Yeah, Parris RV has 2 great locations in Murray on State Street. This is at our South Murray location. This one's at 5545 South State, or just shop online at parrisrv.com.
Okay, thanks so much, Brett.
Thank you.
Back to you in the studio.
All right, Chelsea, thank you so much. Coming up on Studio 5, a brand new workout you'll only see here that combines women's